am studying in class 6th. Today we did an activity from our Kriti book. Topic Inspiration from Nature. We all enjoyed the class and we learned so much about it. We drawn sun, water, waves, nature and all. It was so nice to do it. I am Samyukta from class 6C. We had the topic inspiration from nature. We draw the leaf in our drawing book and we instead draw the leaf like patterns, flowers, butterflies and birds, water, fountains, trees and all. Thank you. My name is Rihanna Regina from class 6C. Today we were all drawing and the topic was my inspiration from nature. I was inspired by the colors and beauty of nature. This was a very fun and engaging activity to do. My name is Likita from class 6C. Today we did activity from inspiration of nature. Today my inspiration about nature is flowers, sky, sun, ocean, etc. Hello, I am Ganika of class 6C. We took the details of a nature. The topic was my inspiration of a nature. We drawn the house, rivers, flowers and road. My name is Amsini from class 6. We drawn a different types of leaves. Inside that we drawn house, trees, butterflies and many more things. We enjoyed our art class. Thank you.
Inspiration from nature is a deeply human phenomenon where natural elements, from landscapes to intricate biological systems, spark positive emotions, creative ideas, and innovative solutions. This connection offers mental well-being by reducing stress and fear, while also providing models for biomimicry in technology, architecture, and design by demonstrating efficient and elegant solutions to complex problems, as seen in the kingfisher-inspired Shinkansen train. How nature inspires. 1. Emotional well-being. Spending time in nature or even viewing natural scenes can reduce feelings of anger, fear, and stress, while increasing positive emotions and improving physical health by lowering blood pressure and heart rate, according to Quora. 2. Creative thought. The combination of gentle exercise and exposure to natural environments can stimulate new ideas and help in problem solving, leading to creative insights. 3. Awe and wonder. Nature's grandeur, from vast landscapes to tiny, complex details, can evoke a sense of awe, humility, and wonder, which can be cradling for inspiration and creativity. And 4. Connection and perspective. Connecting with nature provides a profound sense of being part of something larger than oneself, which can encourage introspection and offer a fresh perspective on life. Inspiration in action. 1. Biomimicry. This field draws innovation from forms, processes, and ecosystems found in nature to create better designs. 2. Engineering. Nature's efficiency inspires the design of everything from airplanes to advanced sensor technology. 3. Architecture. Buildings and urban planning can adopt natural patterns and structures for more ecologically friendly and beautiful results. And 4. Art and literature. Natural imagery, rhythms, and themes are a rich source for artists and writers to convey emotions and explore complex human experiences. Connecting with nature for inspiration. 1. Spend time in wild spaces. Escaping to nature, whether a forest or a meadow, provides a direct connection to nature's beauty and rhythms. 2. Engage your senses. Pay attention to the colors of a sunset, the smell of flowers, the sound of waves, or the feeling of grass underfoot to foster inspiration. And 3. Practice mindfulness. Slow down and observe the subtle miracles in everyday natural occurrences to uplift your mind and spirit.